Who do the Jets play? They play Indianapolis. And what are they famous for in Indianapolis? They're famous for the Dutch baby. And guess what we're making today? Everyday cooking, Dad. Cooking every day. Welcome in, welcome back, guys. The New York Jets are playing the Indianapolis Colts. And they're famous for a Dutch baby. Basically a pancake cooked in the oven with blueberries and raspberries on top. But guys, this is all the ingredients that we have. We have flour, we have sugar, we have a little bit of salt right there, right? We got powdered sugar, we got vanilla. Guys, we're gonna put this all together and I'll be right back. All right, guys, take two. I messed up the first one, so we're gonna do it over again. Half a cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then guys, 3 eggs. And then 1 cup of milk. That's what I forgot last time. Guys, and then we mix. Alright guys, now we're going to pull our pan out, the oven. Again, so we don't forget, we're going to put our pot handle on top. And we're going to go now with our butter. We're going to give it a swirl around. Try and get it up on the sides a little. Alright guys, while our pan is still hot, I'm going to give this just a quick mix. And in the pan we go. There, you see how I took that off there? Burnt my hand. I got this is going in the oven. 20 minutes, 425 degrees. In the oven, 425 degrees for 20 minutes. Alright guys, here we go. And there's our Dutch baby. Take a look at that. Let's get a quick, nice flyover. I wonder how this is going to taste, guys. I've never had one before. Guys, I wonder how this is going to taste. I never had one before. Alright guys, I'm not quite sure how you're supposed to eat this. Are you supposed to eat it hot? Wait for it to cool down? But let's let it cool for a minute because it's really hot. Alright guys, I'm gonna go down with some berries, right? Then down with a little powdered sugar. Alright guys, let's cut into this. Guess I'm gonna just do like that and like that. And let me move this out the way. Alright guys, let's give this a taste. What it looks like on the bottom. It's almost a little custardy, right? It almost looks like a custard. Guys, this is a cross between a pancake and custard. Guys, this is good. Guys, this is delicious. I'm gonna put syrup on this so bad, but I think I need to. The puffy side. Guys, this is good. Please like and subscribe. Every day cooking, Dad. Cooking every single day. Take a look at some of these other recipes and let's get cooking.
she can't